Thank you so much, members of the press, distinguished guests. Thank you so much for attending today. It's a very special day for me today. I get to launch not only a mobile phone in this booming mobile market, but it's also on my son's name. I've been part of this since inception, and we've made sure that in this cluttered phone market, what can we do different? What can we do that's not been there and done already? So we introduced to you Vian Mobiles and some of the USPs. The major one is that each smartphone will come with a project called V Assist, which is a free phone 1-800 number that allows each and every smartphone user a personal 24/7 concierge service, which means anything you need 24 hours a day, just make one phone call to us and we'll make sure it's done for you. Travel, shopping, gifting, anything you need, we will have a solution for you. Separate to that, I have to say that we simultaneously today are the first Indian mobile phone brand to launch simultaneously in 7 countries. We've launched in 7 CIS countries as of now today. And I'd like to thank especially our distributor, Mr. Kuldeep and Mr. Yakubovich, who's come from Ukraine today. Thank you so much for coming here. And for us in India, the choice was mass or class. And we decided with Vian to bring the class to the mass. Very simply, with the launch of our 1-800 service, Vian Mobiles will be the first smartphone in India to be offering such a service. You're entitled to free discount vouchers, so you get thousands and thousands of rupees of discount vouchers. Separately, a little bit of trivia. India is known to be the accident capital of the world. Now, whilst we can't prevent accidents, what we are doing is with every smartphone purchase, we are giving our customers a 2 lakh rupee accidental death cover. God forbid you don't need it, but it's there for you free with every handset purchase. So with V-Assist, if you use this V-Assist properly, we can assure you that the cost of your phone is pretty much recouped in 12 months. If you want to book your travel, see the rates we have, see the offers we give you. We've tied up with over 100 vendors who've got some special offers for you. So V-Assist is our key unique selling point, and you're going to love the features that it has. And we do hope that the customers will also enjoy what we've brought to them. So let me now introduce to you the first of our launch phones. I'm going to hand it back to Soumya and Neha to kindly do the honors, please.
Thank you so much. Trendy phone for today's consumer. This Android dual SIM phone comes with a 5-inch screen, full lamination and an 8 megapixel camera. Backed by a quad-core processor, it runs on Android 4.4 and comes with 1 GB RAM and 8 GB expandable storage. Escorted on stage by the beautiful Malaika Arora Khan, an actress, TV host, mother and producer to one of the biggest hits in India. A dabang personality with her style, flair and presence that leaves her fans asking for an encore. This diva is truly full of life and energy. Malaika Arora Khan. And he's one of the fittest actors of Bollywood who also follows a very strict yoga regime. He always exudes positivity and has the greatest sense of humor. A truly eternal superstar that shines bright even today. His personality is full of life, full of energy, presenting to you the eternal Jeetu Ji.
I'd like to welcome my honorable and distinguished guests. I remain indebted to you. Thank you so much for being here today. Please be seated, please be comfortable. I'm going to ask each of you a question, and I'll start with Manish. I notice on all your shows, you flirt non-stop.
Yeah.
क्या घर जाके मारनी पड़ती और अगर नहीं पड़ती तो उसका राज गुरुजी
ये एक्चुअली हाँ राज आई थिंक मेरे को बताना पड़ेगा, बट फॉर दैट आई थिंक आपको और मुझे अकेले बैठना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज अगर बता दिया राज देन शिल्पा विल नो कि ये राज क्या है. सो आई थिंक ये मैं अलग से बताऊंगा, बट थैंकफुली मैं बच जाता हूँ, मुझे मार नहीं पड़ती घर पे. या
Tell me one thing. I have to ask you, how big a part did your mobile play in your love life?
एब्सोल्युटली अ वेरी बिग पार्ट, बट आई रिमेंबर जब मेरी लव लाइफ स्टार्ट हुई थी, आई एम सॉरी मेरी लव लाइफ नर्सरी से स्टार्ट हो गई थी, बिकॉज द गर्ल आई एम मैरिड टू इज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड फ्रॉम नर्सरी. तो किंडरगार्टन से एक साथ थे, तब मोबाइल नहीं होते थे. आई यूज्ड टू हैव अ पेजर ऑल्सो, बट हाँ मोबाइल लिया था. सो इट वॉज अ वेरी बिग पार्ट, बिकॉज 1 रिंग मेंट आई, 4 रिंग्स मेंट लव, 3 रिंग्स मेंट यू. आई लव यू का हम रिंग्स देते थे, बिकॉज नहीं आउटगोइंग महंगा होता था. कमाल कर रहे हो आप, हमेशा से थोड़ी होस्टिंग करता था मैं, वो तो अभी करना स्टार्ट किया मैंने.
So many rings.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट.
Show me your hand. हाँ, suffering भी है. Farah ji. Farah ji, nothing seems difficult for you. You seem to make everything look so simple. From directing, hosting, to handling, मैंने 3 लिखा, but actually 4 kids. Is there something that you genuinely find difficult in life?
What do I find difficult in life? I think this stands true for most women except Shilpa and Malaika. I find losing weight very difficult. And I find it very difficult to keep my mouth shut whether I'm talking or whether I'm eating. So these 2 things I have to learn how to do from these 2.
Yeah. V-Assist will help you. You know, you need spas, you need wellness. I always say VLCC will send someone to you and make you super slim.
Thank you, Raj.
And do you want to say why I said 4 kids? Why do you say?
I'm guessing you meant Shirish also. So
Malaika
quite
ji.
smart that way.
Yes, Raj.
Tell me, Salman, Amir, Saif or Shah Rukh, which Khan is more full of life and energy and why do you feel so?
Listen, out of the 4 you just told me, 3 are already 50, right? Matlab, you have to hand it to them. At 50, they have so much of energy. I think only Saif is a little odd in that lot over there. He's the youngest. So at 50, if they have that kind of energy, you can't name one. But the one person who's responsible for all that energy is her.
Yeah.
This Khan who makes them dance.
Thank you, Malla.
So maximum energy for this rotten Khan
and
that
for
we
her.
have. But like I said, this question is really silly and funny. And the best thing about what I want to say is that V-Assist, which I'm really excited about. I know how lazy I am trying to find anything. So for me, an app like this is a boon. I need it very, very badly. Thank you for that.
Tell me just one thing. From the new age actors, who do you find full of life and energy?
I find Jeetu ji the most full of life and energy,
You know,
from the new age actors.
How can you even ask that question when when Jeetu ji is sitting here right next to us? But if I have to take one name, not you, Manish, please. I would say who, Farah?
Like my oldies, so I'm sticking to them.
No, but he's saying in the new age one, no? I'd say Varun. Yeah, Varun.
Fair
Dhawan.
enough.
Yeah. Because my son is very, very fond of him, so I will go with Varun. Dhawan. Safe bet.
Jeetu ji, firstly, thank you so much. We know you very rarely step out and do things like this, and one call, so all it took was one call, and you came, and I really appreciate that, sir. आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है. आजकल तो इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू लिव विदाउट योर मोबाइल फ़ोन, लेकिन जब आप हीरो बने थे उस टाइम तो मोबाइल फ़ोन होते नहीं थे, तो आप कैसे कम्युनिकेट करते थे अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स के साथ?
Plural.
I don't know how youngsters are handling this, but in my time, we were having a gala time. आज के मोबाइल होते तो कब के पकड़े गए होते, कितनी मारामारियां हो गई होती. जब भी कहा थे फिल्म सिटी में फोन ही नहीं है. And let me tell you, I belong to an era where the first time I wanted to express myself to Shobha, who is my wife now. She was a girlfriend that time. So I sent her a telegram. Love you. And she sent me a telegram back. Fake. I said, no, really, I love you a lot. Double fake. That was the type of communication at that time. And people yelling on the phone, lightning call lagao, ye call lagao, wo call lagao. But I really give hats off to youngsters today, how they handle this mobile and do all their activities.
सर आजकल आप व्हाट्सएप यूज करते हैं?
जी हाँ.
घर जाके चैट हिस्ट्री डिलीट?
वो मैं वो व्हाट्सएप रखता हूँ जो शोभा पढ़ सके, बाकी सब निकाल देता हूँ.
Thank you so much, my guest of honor today. Appreciate it. For me, this press conference would not be complete without one of my largest shareholders, the promoters of the company, my lady Luck. I'm going to ask her to come on stage and answer a question. So, Vari Varsi Khatan Gyasi, Rastej Ho Gaya Riot, Aja, author of The Great Indian Diet. So, very important question. आप मेरे दूसरे माँ कब बनने वाले हो?
Is the phone going to help in this? I just want to know.
We assist. I assist. I assist.
Is we assist going to help?
Achha, jokes apart. A business question. Shilpa, considering there are over 183 brands of mobile phones in India, how do you expect to make an impact with your brand?
A very good evening to all the members of the press and all the distinguished guests on the dais. Thank you so much, Jituji, you've taken out the time. Malaika, Farah, Manish. Yes, the question was how we are going to make an impact. Well, the stats say that India happens to be the second largest consumer of mobile phones, and that's what my husband told me. So that was the deal clincher for us to even make that foray here. And I've also heard that we buy around 2 crore phones in a month, just India. And 80% of those phones are below 10,000 rupees. So we cater to, to that market, V Mobiles. And I just think even if we're able to conquer around 2 to 3%, which is around 5 lakh mobiles in a month, we'll be home. And that's what we're set out to do. But I really, really think more than that, the differentiator for us will truly be the V Assist, which is a 24/7 concierge service, which I think is going to be a revelation for consumers. It's so expensive to hire PAs, and half the time the jobs are never done. So you really have an app that's going to do all the jobs for you, even in the middle of the night. If you want to, take a train or a plane in the next day, it's going to be done. So I think that's really going to be different. Is that a good enough answer, Mr. Kundra?
Will you marry me again? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We have an opportunity for a photo op, and thank you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
As part of the industry, I don't think the industry itself is divided. I think the whole country is divided on it. And I think it's a good thing कि जब discussions होते हैं और people are allowed to give their opinions. I think अगर किसी को अपना award return करना है, उनको पूरा हक है. Mahatma Gandhi has done this all. He's taught us how to do it peacefully and non-violently. He used to do things like that. It's not a violent protest. Why you should respect them instead of shouting and saying how dare you give back your awards. It is his priority. It is his preference for how he wants to show his displeasure. Maar peet na ho, violence na ho. Discussions, debates are always good. It's good.
Thank you.
Amir Khan said there is a growing intolerance country. He doesn't.
इसने ऐसे नहीं बोला उसने. आप उनका प्लीज इंटरव्यू ठीक से पढ़ के आओ, होमवर्क करके आओ.